Hey everyone, Nelson Miller here with PA Creative. This video is just to let you know that our Divi Search Helper is now fully compatible with Divi 5. So it's version 3.0, and basically this means that the file you download in your account will continue to work just fine with Divi 4. There won't be any changes, there's no new features, there's nothing different except for the version number for the Divi 4 file. But the file also adapts to Divi 5, so if you download that and install on Divi 5, then you will see our new backend interface and you'll see all the same settings in the modules, the search module. And so everything will work the same, obviously, in the new interface. So it's really exciting. The work is behind us, we'll say. A huge task for every single plugin that we've had, a huge, extremely difficult financial and mentally taxing thing for us to do, and kind of hope it is paying off. So we hope you enjoy the update. Basically, I have some instructions here on the blog post. Just, you can continue using it in Divi 4, installing fresh on Divi 5. That's what I would do. Migrating is always a little complex, no matter what plugin we're talking about. But when we're talking about our helper plugins, it's even more complex. And that's what also takes us a long time to complete. So we ran this through so much quality control, and we kept finding, I think, the one thing that is sometimes just, we don't know, the border around the search field. So anyway, all I'm saying is double check it when you do the migration. 99% of it is going to work fine, but just make sure you're aware that, when you're updating anything from Divi 4 to Divi 5, not just our plugins, but anything, do them on a staging site. Definitely test and double check everything. It's kind of one of those things, we all have to do it, and it's not the most fun thing in the world, but yeah, there's visual builder support now. So this is something that was not possible for Divi to do for any kind of plugins like ours. And so we're so excited that now they've extended their builder in such a way that we can also extend their builder. And so it just wasn't something that we could do in Divi 4, and it was kind of annoying. So that's like the biggest news, really. So all of our helper plugins, our contact form helper, responsive helper, search helper, all these helpers that we have where they're modifying existing modules in Divi, the fact that now you can see it just work just like any other module. Like there's no problem for our module, like our table of contents module. It's a standalone module. We're not extending one of Divi's modules. So in this case, it's the search module in Divi. We're simply upgrading it. And so that's something that's unique to PA Creative. That's kind of our thing. And so that does make this a huge announcement that now it's Visual Builder compatible. You'll also be able to see like the Ajax search results, the live results. So I should have did a better screenshot, but like when you're typing and the search results show right here, you can style that in the builder. So there is a new backend settings, but honestly for this plugin, it's not like there's no settings for this plugin. So here, so like for example, it's just an overview tab. Now there's other tabs, like here you can see the changelog, here you can request features and add your license key here. Here you can access links to our documentation and support. So that's all very nice, but the overview screen isn't as helpful as it would be on other plugins where we have a list down through the side here, like Divi Assistant or any of our other plugins, Divi Experience Helper, Contact Form Helper, Responsive Helper. They all have settings right here. Divi Dynamic Helper, all of our helpers, well, yeah, they all have settings here, except for this one because they're all in the module. That's kind of the beauty of it. So yeah, that's really all I have to say in this update. It's available. Thank you to those who were asking for it and pushing us. It was complex, so we're glad that this is behind, and let us know what features you would like to see added to this plugin. So now that we've kind of crossed this line with this finish line, it's just like a ginormous sigh of relief, and it kind of like a clean slate, and we can build out from here. So yeah, let us know something that you think would improve this plugin, and we'll be all ears moving forward. Now we can have that opportunity to add more features for the Divi 5 version. So hope you enjoy. Thank you.